everyone. I welcome you to Bodhi, the Alumni Wisdom Series from DMS IIT Delhi. Today, we have with us Mr. Shobhit Kumar from the batch of 1995 of DMS IIT Delhi. Sir has over 25 years of experience, predominantly in the field of analytics, IoT, data management, and business intelligence, serving global clients. He is currently the Director, IoT Data and Analytics at Entity Data Services. We welcome you, sir, to DMS IIT Delhi. Being in the earliest batch of MBA program at IIT Delhi, how was your experience and how instrumental it had been in bringing you to where you are now?
So, so I kind of started as an engineer, and in fact, when I had applied for the masters, I had applied for the I think water resources also because I was BE Civil, so I had applied for the MTech in the water resources. In fact, I had got the admission also, but I had got admission here as well. So fortunately, I chose this one because what I realized during the course of this 25 years of my career, I think what this masters gave me a very different perspective that a technical uh, course would not have been able to give me. A, from the finance standpoint, B, from uh, the overall interaction with my peers. In fact, I still remember, I think Dr. Savita Karunis and Dr. Karnika Bhal, uh, either of them were the ones who recommended book, I Am Okay, You Are Okay, The Games People Play and all that. In fact, I basically bought those books and read those books and really understood the basic concepts like the transactional analysis and so on and so forth. And that has been, I would say, very, very important and very useful for me when I interact with a lot of people from various walks of life. Because at times what happens that though I'm in the IT industry now, but since IT industry is people intensive, so you do deal with a lot of people from various walks of life who are in I would say various hierarchy levels within their organizations. And how do you get the maximum out of the interaction that you are having with them? I think you need software skills there. And I think my master's here was absolutely instrumental in getting that. Second thing, I think what helped me was the appreciation of finance. And again, I was very fortunate to have Professor P.K. Jain, Professor M.Y. Khan, who had kind of given us the idea around what finance is. And I still remember, I think it took me some time to really understand the fact that how could loan be an asset and the deposit be a liability for a bank. But finally, I understood that, thankfully. So I think those are the fundamental things which in day-to-day life, in your basically professional life, you do need to have an appreciation of finance. So I think those are the two areas which have tremendously helped me. A, finance, and B, the interpersonal skills.
So, what would be, according to you, the USP of DMS, whether looking at it today or from your time?
I think what is very different in IIT Delhi program is A, you are rubbing shoulders with the best technical talent that you have. B, you have the postgraduate management program there where you have access to one of the best faculties that this country can provide to you. I have no doubt in saying that. And thirdly, I still remember we used to go to the library of FMS, and there was one, and of course JNU Ford School of Management and various other places where we used to interact with those people, go to those specific libraries, understand it. Faculties used to come from there, like as I said, M.Y. Khan. I think he had a course in FM in the South Campus of Delhi, which I think is the finance and control. I think he had initiated that program. So that kind of a faculty, which is not just the IIT faculty, but from the other institutes as well, just because you are in Delhi, you are in IIT Delhi, that is the kind of exposure which you get. I think it is absolutely second to none.
Who was your favorite professor at DMS?
Oh man, I'm sure whosoever you would have asked this question would have said, "Well, this is not a fair question." But I think I will go with what I had said earlier. I think the two areas which I have kind of used again and again, and the people who actually helped me there, uh, Professor P.K. Jain, Professor M.Y. Khan in the finance, Dr. Savita Karanis, and Dr. Bhal. I think they were instrumental in that. In fact, if you ask me other professors like Professor S.K. Jain about the macroeconomics, microeconomics, Harish Chaudhary in the area of marketing, Professor Sushil, the system dynamics, I think you would never forget that. And of course, I'm not sure whether those professors are still there. Dr. Shivraj Kanungo was there. I'm not sure whether he's still there or not. So lot of great faculty members. They all molded us in the right manner.
So, can you please share any of your favorite memories during your time at DMS?
I remember we went to Nainital for our, I think, couple of days of trip. It was something interesting. A lot of action happened. Of course, I don't want to share all those details here, but yes, I think that was one very interesting thing that was there. And of course, from the stay there, I would say Shivalik Hostel is where I used to stay during my masters. And though the mess during the regular weekday was not so popular, but Sunday mornings, because they used to have jalebi and milk there, so there used to be a beeline there at 8 o'clock every Sunday morning to really hawk these things. So I think those were the fantastic memories that I had of my master's time there.
Any words of advice for the future managers at DMS, IIT Delhi, and across the country?
Oh, but across the country, I don't know. See, I think one thing I would suggest, and without being prescriptive here, because I know that you all are smart people, and thanks to internet, everybody has access to all the information that you can get on the face of the earth. The only thing that I would suggest is that, uh, and what I've seen with my experience and interacting with people is that. When you are interacting and you are basically presenting your idea, ability to uh, kind of position it as a storytelling is very important, because nobody listens to the PowerPoint presentations, nobody listens to bullet points, nobody listens to the pitches. But if you are kind of molding it, weaving it in a story, it has much more impact. People understand it, people appreciate it, and the chances of your idea being able to be communicated to those people are much higher. So I think that is one skill I would recommend everyone to kind of hone. So if I were to say, among anything and everything, if you were to just pick one skill, and this again is a soft skill. I'm not talking about anything in the finance or marketing, because see, for that you all have great faculty, all professors to help you there. But I think in the real world, this is one area that I feel a lot of time I see people lacking. So if you can hone on this specific skill, I think it will be very helpful.
Thank you so much for giving us your time and opportunity to interact with you. I'm sure the students will find your advice to be very precious, and it was a wonderful experience interacting with you, sir.